Alrighty guys, I'm going to do a shipping video today. I have a friend who requested some knowledge about shipping. She's planning to open an Etsy shop, but she's not quite sure how shipping works. So I'm going to go through what I do for my Etsy shipping. It's different than what I do for like my website shipping. And I'm really just going to go over like the smaller boxed items, not furniture, big stuff. If you want videos on a personal website or a furniture shipping video, let me know. I'm happy to do one. So first, boxes and all of the packing material. So as you can see, I save a lot of boxes. Like I try to reduce, reuse, recycle as much as possible. But there are times like I have certain sizes that I just go through, and the smaller you can pack your items, the cheaper the shipping is going to be. So like these I bought on Uline. Sometimes if I just need a few, like I'll get a few large boxes. Like that's a really large box for like, I think it's a 36 by 24 by 12. I bought 10 of those. I think I got them on Amazon. Uline is, they're only going to ship to you in bulk. So if you have an item that you know you're going to ship a lot of and you need bulk boxes, Uline is the way to go. If you need fewer, you're probably going to want to search Amazon for those boxes. Otherwise, I recommend saving every box you can. It takes up less room if you break them down. I have more actually inside my closet over here that are actually broken down. I also have more bags of like the stuffing and different kinds of packing materials. But like I save all this stuff. I save all the bubblers. I save tissue paper. I save bubble wrap. I save paper. I also did purchase some tissue paper for some nicer packing material. But yeah, save everything and reuse it if you can. That's my biggest thing. So items like these will fit in like a 5 by 5 by 5. These will not, so they have to go in a slightly larger box. I'll either look through my like Amazon boxes that I'm trying to recycle, or I have a 10, well, it's not really 10, what is it? It's a 12 by 9 by 3 box that these would fit in, or I would recycle. And then even smaller items, most of those are all 5 by 5 by 5. Little jewelry items, I can do it in a padded envelope. The smaller your box and the less weight of your item shipping is going to save you money. You're going to want to use a scale to measure. So I use a kitchen scale for most of my items. Occasionally I need a step-on scale for big items. So I'm going to show you in my Etsy app. So when I go in and create a new listing, now this one I'm copying an existing listing just to kind of show you. So I'm going to find a set of coasters and pull it up. This copy existing listing, by the way, is my favorite thing that they've added. It makes, when I do like a new set of butterfly coasters, I can use the same description, same title, and just change out the pictures. And it just makes adding that new listing so much faster. But in each listing, they're going to ask you down here, you're going to pick out a shipping. You have to enter your shipping details. There's a place for weight. There's a place for the size of the box. You need to put in what you think you're going to ship it in. You don't have to be exact here if you're offering free shipping, because when I'll show you, we'll go pick another order after this. But you're going to put in length, width, height, approximate weight. And then let's say that item sells and you end up shipping it in a different box and it weighs a different amount. You can change that at the time of shipping. So I'll show you here. Hold on, we're going to go here. We're going to click create shipping label. And from here, it will allow me to click on package thick envelope. I can go in, click that little edit pen, and I can change the weight and I can change the dimensions so that I get the correct one. If you don't change it and you put the wrong shipping label on there, you will get dinged later. They'll come back and get their money. So try to do it at the time of, because otherwise they're going to come back later and ding your shop for money that you owe them. Okay. But it's nice to know that you can change it at the time of shipping. Just remember to actually change it at the time of shipping. Okay. You can have the customer pay for shipping. I just don't recommend it because you're not going to get seen as much in the Etsy algorithm. Okay. They boost items that have free shipping. They do not boost items that do not have free shipping unless you're going to pay for Etsy advertising. Okay. You also have the option to click on, like it says UPS priority mail. They're always going to push that one on you, but you can click on that and change it to like ground advantage. Do not pick media mail. You're going to get totally chewed if you choose that, okay? So media mail it's not something you can technically use. It's something like if schools were sending media to me, like when I did K-12, they get a much cheaper price. If I did that and they find out that I don't qualify for media mail, then I'm going to get dinged and they're going to come back for their money. Just trust me, try to do the right size box, the right size, weight, all that, or they're going to come back for their money. What else can I tell you? Sometimes you'll have somebody purchase more than one item and you're going to ship it all in one box. So you're definitely going to have to go in when you create your shipping label for that purchase. You're going to change the weight and you're going to change the size box and make sure that you pay for the appropriate shipping label in that case. Trying to think. Etsy does not, certain items, so I don't know how big of items you're going to sell, but let's say like I've done some pretty big art pieces. And Etsy's going to say, oh, we don't ship stuff that big. Like USPS doesn't take items that large. Yes, they do. Just Etsy doesn't get a discount on those. So you're going to have to purchase those shipping labels yourself. Just you can't purchase directly from Etsy and get that discount. In that case, if you're selling a ton of stuff, you should probably open an account with like, I don't know. There's a bunch of like shipping things that help you get discounts at USPS or UPS or FedEx or whatever. Like I have business accounts at FedEx, and anyways, if you get to that point, you might want to consider opening a business account with other shipping companies just so that you have backup for bigger items. And I think that's about it. So if you think of any questions, definitely put them in the comments here and I will try to do a reply video. If you would like me to do a video on how I do my furniture shipping, or if you're not doing an Etsy shop and you're starting your own website and you have questions about how to do the shipping on there, I can do a video on that. And I hope this helped. Not only the person who asked me this question, but anybody else who's considering opening an Etsy shop and isn't quite sure how shipping works. All right, thanks. Bye.